So in front of me I have a Garmin Montana 700, as you can see. So this is a GPS for a motorcycle. This is what the screen looked like. So the motorcycle flipped over and the entire impact of the motorcycle actually landed on the screen itself, on a fence post. So it took a lot of impact. The first thing to note is just how thick the glass is. You can actually see here how thick the glass is. It's pretty thick. And also the back of this didn't take any impact, which is there was no damage there. So I've tested it and it all seems to be working fine, but I didn't find any tutorials on YouTube, so I thought I'd just do a quick one so that someone else can take advantage of my learning curves. Right, so the first thing to look at here is this thing is very easy to take apart. That takes the battery off. Right. And then you've just got screws that are coming out of. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? You can see it where the screws come out along there. Once you've got those screws out, this thing comes apart very, very easily. So at the moment I haven't got this screen adhered into place yet, but you can see how easy this comes apart. Then what you've got on the inside is you've got the GPS antenna flex over here, and you've got the ribbon for the screen. Okay, I'm just going to disconnect those now so that you can actually see how this is all put together. When you grab hold of these, they're called pigtails. Try and get them right grab right on the edge there. If you grab the cable, you'll pull the cable out. Then let's just open up this. Looks to me like, oh, there we go. That up, can't see. There we go, lift it up, so that should pull out fairly easily now. There you go. So now you can see it's separated. Okay. So this GPS antenna literally just drops out, so just be aware of that. And because I've had this apart already, you can see you've got this seal that actually goes on in between, which needs to go back. So be careful that you don't break it, because I don't know where you'd get another one from. Right, so pretty basic piece of kit. This piece didn't take any impact. And then if you look at the screen now, so yeah, see how I was saying this falls out so easily? So if you look at the screen, once this is all cleaned up, I mean, you can put quite a lot of adhesive all the way around there. I would actually probably use some cold press glue or maybe some Permatex silicone, something like that. This is going to need to be waterproof, so it's really important that you get really good seal around here. And there's a fair amount of space available if you have a look. Unlike with mobile phones, just give this a good clean with alcohol so that the glue or the adhesive actually sticks to. So that shouldn't be too complicated to put together. Then the other thing I want to just point out here, let me just move all this stuff aside, is I'll leave a description in the link. I'll leave a link in the description. You can see these screens are actually almost identical. I mean, this is from AliExpress, and that's the original Garmin, and I really can't see any difference. Obviously there's a difference in the references, but that's about it. So it wouldn't surprise me if they're actually made in the same factory. So there you go. It's a quick, simple, not too complicated repair. Yeah, hope that's helpful.